Hello, AP students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and I have notes for Chapter 3, Biopsychology and the Foundations of Neuroscience, Part 3, speaking about the endocrine system. So, the endocrine system, this is the body's hormone system. It's the chemical messengers for the most part, and it would include the endocrine glands, such as the pituitary, the thyroid, the parathyroid, the adrenals, the pancreas, the ovaries, and the testes. All of these would make up that. And probably the big messenger here are our hormones. These are the chemical messengers used by the endocrine system. Some serve as neurotransmitters, which we've already talked about, but they go into the bloodstream and they act as communication pathways. And for the most part, they work with the peripheral nervous system to help us either in an emergency situation or to calm down after that period of time. Along with that, the pituitary gland is our master gland. For the most part, it produces the hormones, influencing the secretions of all the other endocrine glands. This includes our growth hormones, and it is also attached to the brain's hypothalamus. So in a way, it's testing our blood and determining when certain hormones are needed as far as being secreted and such. Along with that, here we go. We've got to talk a little bit about how psychoactive drugs affect the nervous system. And a lot of times we talk about it in the terms of agonist and antagonist. An agonist is a drug or a chemical that enhances or mimics the effect of a neurotransmitter. So an example of that would be like nicotine as a drug, acting a lot like acetylcholine. Along with that, we got to talk about antagonists. These are drugs or chemicals that inhibit the effect of neurotransmitters. Botulism, that toxin interferes with acetylcholine and for the most part can cause problems. So if you take a look at the chart below here, you can see a variety of different drugs. Adderall, Ritalin, which is used for individuals with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, Prozac, which is probably one of the most widely prescribed drugs when we talk about the treating of depression. All of these are things that, for the most part, can be, kind of work either for or against when we talk about the endocrine system. Thank you very much.